There are lots of keyboard options to pick from out there, but to me, this is one of, if not the best keyboard you can lay your hands on. And yes, it's Apple's Magic Keyboard. So let's explore why it stands out among its peers. Let's kick things off with the specs. Being an Apple product, the Magic Keyboard is a marvel of engineering, featuring a rectangular build standing at 28 centimeters with a depth of 11.5 centimeters and a growing height that goes from 0.4 to 1.1 centimeters, weighing a mere 250 grams. But generally, if you are used to the Mac keyboard, the feel is exactly the same. The keyboard is crafted from durable aluminum, promising longevity without compromising on the style. It's equipped with scissor switch keys while offering a short key travel of 1.15 millimeters. It also features an on-off toggle switch with a stroke of lime green paint and not an LED as most believe. The only LED featured on the keyboard is the caps lock key. The default color is white, but you have an option to pick a custom color only when buying a matching iMac, adding a touch of vibrance to its minimalist design. The Magic Keyboard is compatible with all iPhone, iPad and Mac models, offering seamless wireless connectivity. It's rechargeable via USB-C to Lightning cable, providing up to a month of usage on a single charge. It's priced anywhere from $70 to $100, with the Touch ID version priced a bit over $100 depending on where you buy it from. Using the Magic Keyboard has been nothing short of a revelation. From its whisper quiet keystrokes to its seamless connectivity, every aspect of my typing experience has been elevated. The keyboard is super easy to set up, especially when using it with Apple devices like the iMac, an iPad or a MacBook. You only need to power it up, and if Bluetooth is enabled on the other device, it should promptly ask you to pair, and that's it. It's ready to rock. I never tried it on a Windows device, but I'm sure there are better keyboards at this price tag, as I'm sure the Magic Keyboard isn't as compatible to Windows machines as it is with Apple devices. As for the tactile feedback, well, I'm a software engineer, but ironically, I don't particularly enjoy the loud sounds of keyboard keys beating down. I'd rather have a whisper quiet keystroke. Also, I have shorter fingers, so the short key travel on the Magic Keyboard fits me perfectly. It offers a similar feel to using a MacBook's keyboard without the trackpad, of course, and you can enhance the experience further by going to the System's Preferences, where you have a lot of features to play with. Having a growing height removes the need for an armrest or a wrist rest, as prolonged use of the keyboard won't give you any wrist pain. Generally speaking, I'm fully satisfied by the typing experience it has to offer, especially its professional and minimal design that screams craftsmanship. Despite its $100 price tag, the Magic Keyboard falls short in some areas. The lack of support for multiple devices is disappointing, especially when even cheaper keyboards like the $20 Logitech K380 offer seamless switching between 3 different devices. While we have support for multiple Apple devices via universal control, I still think Apple should consider adding support for other saved devices for seamless switching. The absence of a backlight for nighttime use is completely unacceptable, considering keyboards in the same price range offer backlight with adjustable brightness, and some even going further with customizable color patterns. I'm no keyboard enthusiast, so customizing a keyboard isn't really my thing, but Just like any other Apple product, forget about customizing the Magic Keyboard, as you don't even get an option for different colored keys. They call it the Apple way. Also, something that I've never heard anyone else mention is that the aluminum build can make the keyboard get pretty cold, especially in winter, rendering it unusable. So I guess that's the reason most keyboards are made out of some premium plastic components to avoid this. There are plenty of other keyboards on the market that may better suit your specific needs and preferences. We have mid-range keyboards like the Apple Maker TH80 Pro coming in at around $90 and the Logitech K380 at around $20. We also have enthusiast keyboards that are fully customizable to your liking. From Keychron, we have the Keychron Q5 Max at almost $300 and the Keychron K2 at around $120 to $150. We also have premium keyboards from Logitech like the Logitech MX Mechanical at around $100. There you have it. I can personally say the Magic Keyboard is best when paired with other Apple devices, and whether you choose to stick with Apple's Magic Keyboard or explore other options, always remember to prioritize comfort, functionality, others may say color, and compatibility. Let me know down in the comment section if you use an Apple keyboard as well. Have a great weekend and stay tight.